here, if you take a look, this is a little bit overdue.
You'll have to tell us when your book is released so we can all buy it and read it.
With us. So thank you very much indeed.
Some sort of news on Instagram that I read, and I think it was really insightful for me. And number one, awesome. Okay, 1 for 1. Number 2.
We asked the students to read aloud one paragraph.
Have you simplified things for your students, for example?
Deliver the paper to the students, ask them to read the story in groups.
Because our class is very talkative and then noisy, and then we believe that our students will be active.
Getting some ideas from you as well. Okay, now I'm going to
I like science fiction movies.
This takes more than 50 nationalities.
He will not ask the students to start from the ending of the story.
I want my students to have different perspectives.
sitting silent readings.
Because in our class we have self-taught.
In this case, we are going to ask them to prepare like one notebook.
The students really wise if they're writing publish and read with others.
Write in detail how to make them not only in one sentence.
Personally, I thought there are so many techniques that I can implement in our teaching, giving us knowledge how to be a good writer, how to teach writing to our students, just how to motivate our students, to make my students love to write.
In my class, I think the most interesting feature is the animated videos, because when in the listening part, there are so many accents. Most of our students are responding to the different accents, and they find it really relatable to their experience in real life.
In my opinion, this event has been really helpful and eye-opening, especially when it comes to creative writing. It is supposed to be enjoyable, and I think from today's sessions, I get some ideas, several ideas, many even, on how to implement them to my students, especially to broaden their views.
I am so grateful because I can learn a lot of things the way I'm teaching about how to apply the technique to teach writing, especially for my students. Writing of the day, I'm gonna use that in my class. Friday free write. Yeah, that's gonna be useful and gonna be interesting in my class. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Atlaz and Kido, for today's seminar.
Thank you, Atlaz and Kido.